Yuri.
Yuri. I'm Nori.
Nori.
I'm Setsu.
Setsu. I'm Lynette. Open your mouth.
Nakaulo 5. Open your face wide.
Bagyan tripan na niya ako. Di ba may ayaw may tanong-dadalangan niya waray marutong ko. Gawa na yan sitong.
Jomar, matuang manili abong. 2 o'clock pay. Garap kami mga daikor.
Ama, ina! Walay natibag awaday, nag-broken buyer. Yanakot ako ng payo, takot tawa, kung patakdog ako dihi.
Prior, ang ano rin? May ritual prior to the puno.
Prior to the puno.
Luwa.
Oh, luwa.
At hindi kapunaan in sadang nakatag ituloy yun.
Parigan yan, wanin kahitulo.
Oh.
O ya, di same damdaman namun unog hi. Next year ya.
Pamilya, kaya wala na sinaban.
Oh,
Hindi na tamo nite.
Oo.
Kaya kapag ito, hindi na limbiyagan ni.
Sahar mo yan. Aton mi ganin na project na tuyan na ibatong hapon niya
Hindi lang mga safety. Kaya giya ka mong sarili kayo. Hindi ka nagsaka ng mga hindi lang mga very
Isuti fear da, siguro.
Kailangan ti pamilya. No, organic farming da ba mas traditional way.
Kaya na ito, makina ko mamunan.
Ay, so pinuhan din mo. Ay, so extension nito kubo. Yeah.
Napo, kiguhang.
Adi masurot. Ano pe mun dadarusulus ka. So iusa mo mo di at hindi masiniris. Adi unay ng pagi, adi unay tumabas.
ang marmit ka rin ito.
Ano group name?
That somehow when it was given to them as the first to operate the field,
Hindi dumupag to agricultural tourism. Even they sleep in.
And she is working there for 20. So, for example, if I have my own.
Hi origin uya. Hi father ya iba ang. Hi mother ko ya napudha pau. So ituan duan barangay uya.
Tambay rin ako nun nung iyaya ako ng pinsan ko na subukan ng pagmimina. Nakumbinsi naman ako kasi sa mga panahon yun, medyo malaki-laki yung kinikita nila.
Transfer of responsibility of being dumupag, well, we're gonna wait and see. Kung sa amin kasi it's like wait and see game eh. Sabi nila, oh sige.
Stop.
This is the first.
Of course, I'm humble.
Where's the 1, 2, 3, go.
Thank you so much. Thank you for your... I will add the questions.
We've been referring to it as crossover there, but in that there will be no...
So bukas, call time natin is 7. We need to say 7, ready to go off na. Okay! Good night! Good night! Good night!
Baliktad, Adi. Oh, Malambang! Oh. Magato.
Andi ye. Tanga to. Oh, kontes, pinaspas! Sige!
Hay, oo nga! Mambakang-bahay kanta-kanta siya ayam hinain punta pumbog eh. Pero kayo nung katukan na ni Bogayo.
Ay, Andi.
As you have seen in my performance, I wasn't able to present myself the best way I should or the best way I could. So again, this is a challenge because I believe actors are not born, they are to be made. Diba? Parang superhero. Anyway, thank you for this opportunity. I was able to observe, and I was able to learn many new ideas.
I can confirm this is good for those slow learners who can really memorize lines. Because in our school we usually give role playing as activities, but this time this one is good for the students who cannot memorize lines. Thank you.
For the rich, they use the gang. This is the, we call this papak, but I do not know how to...
So it means that you play this while you are dancing?
No.
While
While they are
bringing
the corpse to the grave. Oh, and then after the burial, you throw it away.
This one?
No, do not use it anymore.
Only one time use?
Yes. Leisure time.
Leisure time. Already have a music.
We'll mix the neighbor color. Do you know what color can you make mixing yellow and red? Yes. Please mix yellow. Please spread yellow and mix to red. And yellow is very delicate color, and red and blue is very strong color. So put the strong color to weak color little by little. Okay?
Oo.
Taon hi Florencio Nulungan, nung ritara hi DepEd. An dental ed Dr. Talanay.
At man years ka nung hi?
39. Oh, aliw sa limulok. Yan hindi ko bilo.
At nan years ka ngayon ano po? Nung retire mo?
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Naka 5 more than 5 years.
At na kayo may tawon mo ang kaya?
68. Ay kapuna hindi mo ya. Nung kamaida na because of nan education, ipapodla mo na nito kiyangan niya. Na native house na kapyate, nung kakapyan pa hili, native house. Yung kaputa di dan orang tatago ya, na maida mo niya not nan ni Jokalan. Umat nan umbagi nan namin, hindi let Pedro Maguilat, namin tulo. Numbal iwan na mo payo.
Ni Jose Pinayan, Kagawad ni Poblacion. Taon ko ya 68. Ilugida mo ang kung gabutan nandyan uduman ng payoan tamisagana tapno wakan mo kaungan ng page misagana istuan magabutan ang ilian napakan nagabutan na manong dadi linarate mamanong data nabanongan ke tanapas amin ang nabanongan wada po ng kalandaan agnong ya pinger wada ng kalandaan pinger tiwa.
So anyway, what we're going to do is we will just have to work on some of your scenes. But before that, we will need you to watch your presentation. Okay? Alright.
That's i-warm up tayo pa yung bagi tayo, sakbay tayo nga i-boost tayo the energy tayo. Okay?
What is that? Yes.
Yeah, can be a director.
Directed their presentation.
Yes. And you just see the video of today's performance.
You have an ensemble. You have ensemble. 1, 2, 5. Standing.
Wala ka din ang damabay sa iyo.
Nakakoy na ko'y gasulit na. Punta nang tayo, kinawag ka.
Higher for the boys. And then bend a little bit. And the girls would be lower.
7, 8. Na kayo.
4 yan. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, slide. 1, 2, 3, slide. 1, 2, 3, slide.